And the crew. They're there to keep you safe, so if you have any questions, just ask. Now sit back and enjoy your flight, and thanks for watching. Cabin crew seats for takeoff.
warm welcome on board this Virgin Atlantic MSA 330 to Miami. Well, my name's Bill Dixon, I'm the captain today, joined by the flight deck Senior First Officer Darren Francis. Well, we're just taxiing up towards the holding point now, and we're thankful to get away on schedule. At takeoff, our route will take us straight across the Atlantic, really towards Miami. All flight should be mostly smooth, but we recommend you keep your seatbelts fastened when seated, just in case we encounter any unexpected turbulence. Our flight time today should be 8 hours and 51 minutes, and looking after the cabin is Flight Service Manager Ella and her team. Well, we just enjoy the flight, and prior to descent, Darren's going to make another announcement to update you on our estimated time of arrival and the local weather. Thanks for your attention.
Off to Nashville. I don't know if I can that far. Yeah, got something else to do.
again. My name is Emma and I'm your flight service manager today. I'll be managing the service in upper class today, and Rebecca will be the cabin service supervisor in economy and premium economy. There are just a few safety reminders we need to tell you. As belt signs are still on, keep your seatbelt fastened for now. Your seatbelt will help to keep you safe if we encounter turbulence, so you should keep it fastened whenever you are in your seat. If turbulence is expected or occurs, the captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. Be careful whilst you open your overhead lockers. In flight, as items may fall out and cause injury. To save us disturbing you when we check your belt is fastened, please make sure it always remains visible to us over the top of any blankets or duvets. If you are travelling with a baby and using a bassinet or sky cot, you will need to secure your baby back onto your lap during turbulence, just as you did for takeoff. Smoking, including electronic and smokeless cigarettes, is not allowed on board, and toilets are equipped with smoke detectors. Some electronic equipment may interfere with the aircraft system. We have provided details of these on the back of your safety card. To stay in touch with the world below, we're delighted to offer a Wi-Fi and mobile telephone service on this aircraft. Wi-Fi starts at just $4.99, and all you need to do is connect to the Virgin Atlantic Wi-Fi network and visit our portal. The mobile telephone service is great for making calls and sending messages. Just ensure you turn off your flight mode, as international roaming charges will apply. If you need help, take a look at the retail magazine for more information. If you are connecting your electronic equipment to the in-seat power supply, please do not leave it connected while you're not using it, just in case it overheats. Also, please do not connect any item that produces direct heat to our power supply. The exercises and how to stay comfortable during the flight, and if there's anything else we can do, please just ask. Hello, my name is Rebecca and I'm cabin service supervisor on today's flight. We're starting our service shortly. Virgin Atlantic, we're passionate about sustainability and reducing our impact on the environment. We're currently looking into workable alternatives to single-use plastic